Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle using AI technology? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the landscape across diverse industries, from healthcare to entertainment. As we stride further into the digital era, the rise of side hustles has become a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit of the 21st century. And guess what? AI has stepped into this arena too, presenting an untapped resource for those seeking to diversify their income streams. One such AI technology that is gaining popularity is the ChatGPT by OpenAI. So, what exactly is ChatGPT, you might ask? Well, let's dive right in. ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by OpenAI, designed to interact with users in a way that feels natural and human-like. It's a virtual conversationalist, equipped with a wealth of knowledge and a knack for understanding context. But ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's an innovative tool with a diverse array of functions. For instance, it can generate content ideas, sparking creativity when you're feeling a bit uninspired. It can also rewrite headlines, giving a fresh spin to your articles or blog posts. Need help with your blog? ChatGPT can create concise and comprehensive blog post outlines, helping you structure your thoughts and ideas effectively. It can even assist with investment recommendations, providing you with insightful analysis based on vast amounts of data. And it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT is also proficient in translation services, bridging linguistic gaps and broadening your reach. And for all you budding scriptwriters out there, it can help you craft compelling scripts, perfect for platforms like YouTube. With such a wide range of capabilities, it's easy to see how ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for a side hustle. Now, how can you harness the power of ChatGPT for your side hustle? Starting a side hustle can be a daunting task, but thanks to ChatGPT, you have an AI-powered companion to aid you in your journey. Let's break down how you can use this technology to your advantage. Firstly, let's talk about content creation. Whether you're writing a blog post or a social media update, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, rewrite headlines, and even create detailed outlines. Just feed it some basic information about your topic, and let it do the heavy lifting. Next, there's the task of improving existing content. ChatGPT can help you polish your work, ensuring your message is clear, engaging, and impactful. It can assist you in refining your writing, making it more compelling and digestible for your audience. But what if you're not a writer? No problem. ChatGPT can also assist with script writing. Whether you're creating content for YouTube or a podcast, ChatGPT can help you draft scripts that resonate with your audience, keeping them engaged and coming back for more. Now, let's talk about investment advice. For those of you who are navigating the financial markets, ChatGPT can be a valuable asset. It can offer insights and recommendations based on the data you provide. Remember, while it's a powerful tool, it's important to cross-verify any information and make informed decisions. Finally, ChatGPT can assist with translation services. If you're looking to expand your side hustle globally, this feature can be a game changer. ChatGPT can translate your content into various languages, helping you reach a wider audience. Remember, ChatGPT isn't just a tool. It's a cost-effective and efficient solution for many tasks. It can be your personal assistant, content creator, and advisor, all rolled into one. With these steps, you are well equipped to start your AI-powered side hustle. So, let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We've delved into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and its role in side hustles. We've specifically focused on ChatGPT, a chatbot developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's a powerhouse of capabilities that can be harnessed to kickstart or enhance your side hustle. From generating content ideas, to rewriting headlines, from creating blog post outlines, to providing code for website enhancements, ChatGPT has shown its mettle. It can also improve existing content, write convincing copy, and generate side hustle ideas. What's more, it doesn't stop at content creation. It can assist with investment recommendations, translation services, and even script writing for platforms like YouTube. We've also discussed how you can leverage these capabilities for your side hustle. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a newbie looking to dip your toes in the waters of side hustling, ChatGPT can be your companion, your tool, and your secret weapon. Remember, the potential of AI technology for side hustles is immense. We're living in an era where technology is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's not just about making life easier, but about unlocking opportunities, about pushing boundaries, about redefining what's possible. With AI technology like ChatGPT, the possibilities for your side hustle are limitless. So, why not take the plunge and start your AI-powered side hustle today?